Hi, I'm Jay, and this is an AprilAire humidifier. Today we're going to diagnose why there is water continuously running down the drain, even when we try to turn the humidifier off. Okay, now we have a situation where we have water that is continuing to go through the humidifier and it won't shut off. So what we're going to do is disconnect one of these wires. All we have to do is disconnect just one. That will kill the electricity to the solenoid valve and it should close. So we're going to disconnect this one wire carefully. All right, wire's disconnected. We now have no electricity to the solenoid valve. So at this point, the water should shut off. But as I can see right now, the water is staying on. So our problem is the solenoid valve is stuck open. That's a common failure. These valves are easy to replace. A couple of screws. Get your wrenches out, disconnect the water lines, reconnect them back up. Of course, you want to turn off the water and electricity before doing so. But it's a simple job to do. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.